Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 free alternatives to FL Studio. Let's get started. Number 1, LMMS. LMMS is a feature-rich, open-source music production software available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It includes everything you need for composing, mixing, and arranging music, a piano roll, beat bassline editor, built-in instruments, and support for plugins. Since it's completely free and open source, it's a solid option for beginners or anyone who wants a no-cost replacement for FL Studio. 2. Cakewalk by BandLab. Cakewalk by BandLab is a professional-grade DAW for Windows users. It gives you unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, VST plugin support, and powerful tools for recording, mixing, and mastering. If you're on Windows and want a full studio experience without paying, Cakewalk is one of the strongest free choices available. 3. Waveform Free by Traction. Waveform Free is the no-cost version of a professional DAW. It offers unlimited tracks, supports third-party plugins, and comes with a full set of editing and production tools. Whether you're producing electronic music, beats, or complete tracks, Waveform Free's modern interface and flexible workflow make it a great alternative to paid DAWs. Number 4. BandLab Web and Mobile DAW. If you prefer creating music online or want something accessible from any device, BandLab is perfect. It runs in your browser and also has mobile apps. BandLab includes loops, virtual instruments, built-in effects, and collaboration features, ideal for quick ideas, remote projects, or music production without installing software. Number 5, Ardour is a powerful open-source DAW for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It offers unlimited audio, MIDI tracks, advanced routing, detailed editing tools, and professional mixing and mastering capabilities. If you're comfortable with a more advanced workflow, Ardour gives you full control over your music production, completely free. So that's it, 5 of the best free DAWs you can use instead of FL Studio in 2025. Thank you for watching.